If you're battling clogged pores, oily skin, or those pesky breakouts that seem to pop up overnight, a good charcoal face mask might be the game changer your skincare routine is missing. Charcoal masks are designed to pull out deep-set impurities, balance oil, and leave your skin feeling refreshed without harsh stripping. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best charcoal face masks that deliver visible results. Tested, reviewed, and ranked, so you know what's really worth your time and money. Let's get into the list. Kicking off our list at number 1, Origins Clear Improvement. The Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask is a cult favorite in the skincare world, and for good reason. It's designed specifically for those looking to detoxify their skin and deeply clear out pores. Powered by nature and backed by science, Origins uses bamboo charcoal and white china clay to absorb environmental toxins and impurities. This mask is perfect for combination to oily skin types, especially if your T-zone feels congested or you suffer from frequent blackheads. Key features: the formula combines bamboo charcoal to act like a magnet for deep-dwelling dirt and white china clay to soak up excess oil. Lecithin, a natural dissolver of impurities, helps clear debris from the skin. The texture is smooth and spreads easily without drying out too fast. It's formulated without parabens, phthalates, or sulfates, ideal for ingredient-conscious users. Benefits and usage: after applying a warm towel to open your pores, spread a generous layer of the mask to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it dries, rinse thoroughly. With regular use, around 1 to 2 times per week, it helps reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, prevent breakouts, and give skin a cleaner, clearer look. It's particularly useful after a long day outdoors or heavy makeup use. Usability: the product is user-friendly with a squeezable tube that makes application clean and straightforward. It spreads evenly and rinses off without leaving residue. Unlike many masks, it doesn't crack uncomfortably as it dries. The scent is mild and natural, which adds to the pleasant application experience without overwhelming sensitive noses. Durability: a little goes a long way with this mask. One 2.5-ounce tube lasts for months with bi-weekly use. The ingredients are stable and maintain efficacy over time. It also holds up well under travel and different climates, making it a reliable option whether at home or on the go. In the second spot, we have L'Oréal Pure Clay. The L'Oréal Paris Pure Clay Detox and Brighten Face Mask is a budget-friendly powerhouse designed to purify the skin and give it a noticeable glow. Combining 3 mineral-rich clays with charcoal, this mask offers a triple-action detox without the premium price tag. It targets dullness, uneven texture, and impurities while being gentle enough for regular use. Key features: this mask blends kaolin, montmorillonite, and Moroccan lava clays with charcoal for a multi-layered detox. Kaolin helps absorb excess oil, montmorillonite draws out imperfections, and Moroccan lava clay brightens skin tone. The creamy formula spreads easily and dries down without cracking harshly. Its earthy scent and smooth consistency make it feel more premium than its price suggests. Benefits and usage: apply an even layer on clean skin, avoiding eyes and lips. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries. Then rinse with lukewarm water. With continued use, skin looks more radiant, feels softer, and pores appear minimized. It's especially effective after a long day of pollution exposure or when your skin just feels off. Weekly use can help maintain a consistently fresh complexion. Usability: packaged in a sturdy glass jar, it's easy to scoop the desired amount without waste. The formula spreads nicely and rinses clean without harsh scrubbing. It's suitable for most skin types, although those with very dry skin may want to follow up with extra hydration. Quick and easy enough for a midweek pick-me-up. Durability: with 1.7 ounces of product per jar, this mask offers great value. A single jar can last up to 10 to 12 applications depending on how thickly it's applied. The formula maintains its texture and potency well over time, especially with the airtight lid. At this price point, it's one of the most long-lasting options on the market. Coming in at number 3 is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful. The Freeman Feeling Beautiful Charcoal and Black Sugar Mask stands out for combining a detoxifying mask with gentle physical exfoliation. This 2-in-1 product is ideal for those who want deep cleansing and texture refinement in one step. It's a great entry-level option, especially for teens or anyone just building a skincare routine on a budget. Key features: Activated charcoal targets deep down oil and dirt, while black sugar works as a natural exfoliant to buff away dead skin cells. The result is smoother, cleaner, and more radiant skin. The formula is paraben-free and cruelty-free, with a pleasant sweet earthy scent that makes the experience feel indulgent. Its dual-action format is especially unique at its price point. Benefits and usage. Apply to damp skin and leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Not too long, since it doubles as a scrub. Then gently massage the sugar granules in circular motions before rinsing off. This combo helps polish skin while also drawing out impurities. Use once or twice a week for best results. It's perfect for pre-event prep when you need a glow-up. Usability. The squeeze tube design makes it very convenient and hygienic. The sugar granules are not too abrasive, making it suitable even for moderately sensitive skin types. However, avoid using it if you have active acne or broken skin, as the scrubbing action may irritate. Easy to use in the shower or at the sink without much mess. Durability. The tube contains a generous 6 ounces of product, which can last for several months even with regular use. It remains stable and effective without separating or hardening over time. Considering its exfoliating benefits and low cost, it offers exceptional durability and value for anyone building a skincare arsenal. Taking our 4th spot is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal. The Body Shop's Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask is inspired by Ayurvedic traditions and spa-quality treatments. It's a 100% vegan formula crafted to deliver intense detox and visible glow, making it perfect for anyone looking to mimic a professional facial experience at home. It's especially targeted for oily or blemish-prone skin. Key features: infused with bamboo charcoal from the Himalayan foothills, green tea leaves from Japan, and community fair trade tea tree oil. This mask delivers a powerhouse blend of purifying, antioxidant-rich ingredients. It has a tingling effect on the skin, which signals deep cleansing action. The texture is thick and slightly gritty, resembling a clay scrub hybrid. Benefits and usage. Apply a generous layer to clean skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Expect a tingling sensation that's normal with this formula. As it dries, the mask unclogs pores, refines texture, and absorbs oil without overdrying. Use weekly to manage breakouts and maintain glow. It's an ideal solution for congested skin in humid or urban environments. Usability. Packaged in a dark glass jar, the product feels luxurious from the get-go. It's easy to apply with a spatula or fingers, and rinses cleanly with warm water and a washcloth. The tingling sensation might be intense for sensitive skin, but is generally well tolerated. Its aromatic, spa-like scent enhances the experience. Durability. The 2.5-ounce jar goes a long way thanks to the concentrated formula. Even small amounts deliver powerful results, and the airtight container helps preserve freshness. It holds up well even if used infrequently, making it worth the investment for anyone wanting high-performance skincare at home. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiehl's Rare Earth. The Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask is a dermatologist-loved treatment that tackles oily skin, clogged pores, and rough texture. Known for its Amazonian white clay base, this mask deeply cleans without overly drying or irritating the skin. It's a staple for those looking to refine skin texture and prevent acne flare-ups. Key features. At the heart of the formula is Amazonian white clay, which draws out toxins, dirt, and pollutants from pores. It also contains aloe vera to soothe and oatmeal to prevent tightness. Unlike some heavy clays, this mask has a lightweight, creamy consistency that spreads easily and dries evenly. It's free of parabens and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. Apply a thin, even layer on clean, dry skin and leave it on for 10 minutes or until fully dry. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow up with toner and moisturizer. Regular use, 1 to 2 times a week, helps reduce blackheads, balance oil, and refine skin's overall appearance. It's great for anyone struggling with congested areas like the nose, chin, or forehead. Usability. The smooth formula is easy to apply and doesn't harden to the point of discomfort. It rinses off without aggressive scrubbing, which is a major plus for those with reactive skin. Comes in a wide-mouthed jar that's easy to dip into, though using a spatula keeps things more hygienic. Durability. With a 4.2-ounce jar, this mask offers long-term use even with consistent application. Its shelf life and texture remain stable over time, and the formula continues to deliver consistent results. Though more of a premium product, it's worth the investment for serious skincare users looking for visible pore minimization. And there you have it, the top 5 best charcoal face masks that truly deliver results. Whether you're battling breakouts, dullness, or excess oil, these masks have been carefully selected to help you find the right solution. Remember, skincare isn't one size fits all, so go with what aligns best with your skin type and lifestyle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite charcoal mask in the comments. Until next time, stay fresh, stay glowing, and take care of your skin.